Hello kids, how are you today? We're gonna review these great realistic cars. Here we have this Welly series, now a Chevrolet police truck, a Land Rover, and a Peugeot. Realistic cars. Let's see them close, take them off the box. Look at this great car. This Land Rover, realistic and very good. You can open the doors. It's really light to carry it, so also you can play around with your friends. Look at the inside of this great car. Impressive. Look at the wheels, look at the Land Rover. You can collect these cars as well. You can open this door, close it. It's really good. I want to show you the inside of this very good car. Look at that. Look at the wheel, man. It's great. Let's see the second one. This one is Peugeot 207. Really good. With 3 doors. Look at the wheels. Look at the ending of this great car. Here we have the open door. Look at that. Inside is real. It's great. Also really light to carry. You can play around with this one. Let's have a look at the other side. We'll open the door. Wow. Excellent. Great. Peugeot 207. Realistic car. A replica. And last but not least, we're gonna see an unbox this Chevrolet, the police car. Really good. Let's have a look at it. Outside the box, take them off this plastic, and here we go. Police Chevrolet series. It's really great. Really great. You can see it. The realistic. It's really great. You can collect these cars. You can have, there are many series of this. You can collect them all and play around with your friends. Look at this one. Let's open the door. The police car is ready to go. Very good car. So you can collect them all, kids. Just go and look whatever you like and get it. Here we have the 3 of them. Great car.
Hi kids, like this video? Subscribe on more videos.